What's happening? Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Feathers up. My feathers somewhere. Just give me a break. I'm still dry fasting. Very tired. Very fatigued. But if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by DM us on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. Send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com with the subject coaching, at least some type of matter about that. We got a business course for you guys who guys want to start a business. If you guys don't have one, if you do have one, you further want to enhance it, we got that for you in the description box. But we got some right here. You know, we don't want to waste too much. I realize that we got some drinks, even though we've been making them, and it still can't even drink them. That we just swigging them. That's like real life torture. And we doing this for y'all. Oh, don't tell me it ended. What the hell happened? Oh, it zoomed in or something by accident. All right. Okay, cool. It's not the end of the world. But yeah, this is from the remainder of the juicer. Go watch the juicing videos. This is the remaining stuff. Gonna put in some water in this blender, and I'm gonna try to make some smoothies. I'm gonna make some smoothies of some sort. The thing is, we're gonna be adding bananas, because anybody who knows my juicer, you can't put bananas in a juicer. You can't really juice a banana. So hey, yeah, better cut these things. Yeah. Let's get it started. Upside down time. Forgot you're supposed to open it this way. I think this way is the, yeah. Split it down. This one. Y'all go see the other ones. I got the bananas peeled. I gotta chop them up. Slice, one hand. Y'all gonna see. This came to me. I got the bananas ready in a blender, so, and I got the H2O. Why not make like a banana first, banana smoothie, and see how things go with them. So do like maybe one. You know, we balling up in one hand. So how much water is that? Oh, less than one serving, so that's one serving, so put the lid on that. Start with ice, and then we go to smoothie. Smell the banana from this thing. Ooh. Hold up. I wanted to put the banana up so when I do my swig, I know y'all be like, why is he doing this while he's dry fast? For the knowledge. I think one fell in there, but I wasn't gonna dig my fingers in here, so it's whatever. Here we go. Nah. Yeah, because the bananas ain't ripe enough. But no. I want to say it's too much water, but it's like, it's the bananas too, bro. Shoot, we're gonna put it together in that one mix. Y'all gonna see. Heck no. Okay, I left the remnants in there out of banana water, banana smoothie. I got this stuff right here. I'm gonna pour some. It's a lot. See how it goes. Might need 2 hands. But yeah, definitely gonna need more liquid, so we're gonna see how this goes. This is thick. Let's just do this bit and see where it goes. I can't even see the line. Oh yeah, I can. Wow, wait on the 24th. 24 to 3, so 3 servings. Okay. Hold on. There's the lid. It's gonna be thick. It's gonna be thick, bro. I need a lot more liquid. I already know. Just pour the rest of the thing in there. Not even, probably won't even do a dent, but hey. Alright. Take the lid off of this thing. I'll try that. Oh, it looks more liquidy than expected. So I'll try this. Okay. This definitely needs to be spiced up. I mean, spiced up by just add seasoning, like add agave and stuff. Because this right here, No. I'm going to work with it. Add more bananas, total add a handful of bananas. Got agave right here. I think agave is going to play the rescue. And this one. Thing's thick. I need some more water too. Just thought about that. About a gallon of more water. Get more liquefied. If not, we just go more agave. Let's go. Look at that, it's bubbling more. So let's see how it turns out. Put the lid back on. For safety. Especially if you're doing this thing for one hand. Feels thick. Better. A lot better. Could be blended more. You know. It's a lot better. Something you can have. Something you can drink for sure. I just wanted to say all this because I don't really like to waste stuff. I would hate to feel like I gotta throw something like this all away. But hey, it is made it work. Definitely a thick drink. Alright. Y'all know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, daily uploads, consultations, DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us there, make sure you're going to do it. Support something. Go buy from us, healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Peace, love, and light.